Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to public story on Snapchat Easy Guide. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon, then go to Settings and find Story Privacy to adjust visibility immediately. Choose Everyone for full public reach or Custom to limit viewers, and consider a private test post first. Use clear captions and minimal location tags so you stay discoverable without oversharing. Start by opening your profile and tapping the gear to access settings. Scroll to the Who Can section and choose View My Story to see privacy choices. Selecting Everyone makes your story public, while Custom limits it to chosen friends. You can also exclude specific users. After picking your setting, post a short test story and check how it appears to others before posting more widely for best results. Think about privacy before you post a public story by avoiding exact addresses, private phone numbers, or other sensitive details that could compromise safety. Use captions to add context without oversharing and prefer broader location tags over precise pins when needed. Regularly audit your friend list and blocked users to ensure only intended people can interact. And consider creating separate accounts for strictly personal content to keep public and private posts clearly separated.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.